Trading is not so hard, but you are making harder by taking trades every second and every minute. But in this video, you will learn best 15-minute trading strategy on tradingview.com. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Open up your empty TradingView chart and let's jump into indicators and search for ATR stepped. And you will see indicator from logs clicked at your chart. We will have 3 different indicators and there will be a bonus in the end of the video. Make sure you watch all of it to not miss that. Let's continue with the second indicator, which is super trend, but this time we are going to use the default TradingView indicator clicked at your chart. And the last one is the squeeze momentum indicator from Lazy Bear. As all of you know that this is the most famous indicator on TradingView. Click to at your chart. After you add everything, go to time frame and change it to 15 minute. And if you done that, now head over to the settings for the ATR step and change it to 20. After that, hit OK. Now we are ready to go. You see that I get into video very fast because this strategy excites me a lot. I don't want to lose any more time to teach you this perfect strategy. So let's talk about the rules. Rules are everything. So the buy rule is very simple, short rule is very simple. We will now talk about those. Let's see that. We have this long signal here, right? What you will do? We have 3 different indicators. 2 of them will give you a signal, 1 of them will give you a confirmation. Very important. So after you see that you got the long signal, you will go down and check with the squeeze momentum. If it is also green, you will go and check the super trend because ATR step give you the long signal. ATR step didn't enter a long area yet. You see that it's like a couple of bars, it gave you the green signal. So what you're gonna do is you need to wait until the super trend give you the green cloud. But the very important thing here is also at the same time all of these 2 indicators must still green. If those all green, you can take a long position on a 15-minute time frame. You understand, right? Let's quickly see another example. I would like to show you another long here. Let's see. You got the long signal from the ATR stepped. You got the green from the squeeze momentum. But this time, super trend is gave the signal before the ATR stepped. So in this scenario, you need to wait until the 3rd indicator will confirm you, which is ATR step. Until you will check everything one more time. And if everything looks okay and green, you can enter long position. This is the rule. So we have 3 indicators. If the 2 of them green, you can wait 1 for to become green to enter long position. This is the rule. This is actually very simple. If you follow the rules, you will see that how accurate this indicator setup. Let me show you the stop loss and take profit rules very quickly. For the stop loss, as always, we will use recent support line, which will be, if I enter position here, I will put my stop loss to this support line. And you will take your profit when squeeze momentum indicator reaches to more than 20, like here. If it is above the 20, close out your position. And the second method is you can close your position when ATR step give you the sell signal. And the 3rd option is you can close when you got the sell signal from the super trend, but the problem with that is it gave a sell signal here. So super trend act fast. What I can suggest you is you can use ATR step lines. Also you can use the squeeze momentum. If you see that it becomes red, you can take your profit. Or what you can do is you can set a standard risk to reward ratio to not miss any opportunity. Maybe you can take your profit more. Let's see here. We got this 1 to 3 risk ratio here. My stop loss was here, so 1 to 3, which belongs to here. you can use also this method. You can feel free to test it out yourself. Now let's talk about the short condition very quickly. It is the exact opposite. When you get the sell signal from the ATR step, you will check the squeeze momentum indicator. If it's also red, you will go and check the super trend. It's not red yet. So what you will do is you will wait until the super trend give you the red signal and you check all of them. It is red. You can take a short position here and you can put your stop loss just this resistance line here and you will take your profit as I told you so. Now let me show you the hidden secret of this perfect 15-minute trading strategy. I am inviting you to the indicators tab. So please type in EMA and click at your chart to the moving average exponential and head over to the settings. Length is playing a very important role here, so please type in 200 and hit OK. So what it will give us is this will add one more layer, one more confirmation, one more confidence to our trading strategy. So it can look complicated now, but bear with me, I will explain you the whole strategy. I teach you when to enter long and when to enter short. Now add this condition to this strategy. Enter long only when the price above the 200 EMA line, like here. Let's see the example. Look at over here, right? The price is above the 200 EMA, all the conditions are met. You can take a long position and rock and roll. You see this crazy profits we are talking about here. Let's see the short condition also. Let's move over here and we got the sell signal here. And remember the conditions. Price must below the 200 EMA line. And you check all the conditions and conditions are met. You can take a short position right here. Easy like that. What will give you is you will understand the trend of the market, because trend is your best friend when it comes to trading. With the 200 EMA line, you can understand and determine the trend better. So please add this 200 EMA to your chart. If you get sell signal above the 200 EMA line, you just don't care. Don't look at it, because we will only be looking at long signals if the price above the 200 EMA line. Look at this trend. It looks beautiful, right? So you will take every opportunity here and you will make a lot of money with this perfect strategy. Because when the price above the 200 EMA line, no need to short. Don't fight with the trend. So that was all for this strategy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos over there. And until the next time, see you soon.